from? Oh, piss! Oh, hell! Did you ship that apart?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here. Got stuck.
There we go. Okay, there we go. Dude, that could have been really bad. I was wondering what the heck happened.
Okay, we're putting chocks behind it.
Carpet.
Careful with this one because this seat's actually pristine.
Yeah.
Hey, wait, it's caught.
Still caught? Is it caught on carpet? Oh my gosh.
Hey, wait. We have something to cut it.
Is that carpet?
It's just, yeah, it's gonna keep ripping now.
Alright, hold on to it. Keep your hand on it. Being a pain. Break me up, believer.
Where's the ratchet?
Got it. They are powered. Are they really?
Yeah. No way.
Where are the controls to them though? Does that take off the side ones too? Oh yeah,
go, boys.
Oh yeah. Oh, there it goes. No, we're gonna take the rear seats out to finish it. I'll do that right now.
We can get a vacuum and vacuum all that crap up.
Yeah, we do. No way, it's got rear seat belts too. Jeremy, I don't think mine's gonna be that easy.
No.
8% of console, I think, a little bit.
Tear it out.
Yeah, let's see.
You got no bolts or nothing?
You want to take it? You want me to take it?
We need to take it.
Hold on. Oh, I didn't take off this side of the seatbelt too.
I didn't have to take that off.
Well, was the carpet not connected to it?
Not really.
Okay, mine is on this side.
Here.
Right here, I got it.
Woo! I'll get the vacuum.
Is that for the center console?
Huh?
Is that for the center console?
This is the side seatbelt. The carpet's still connected to it. Oh, yeah. Oh, got a rust spot right here. Really? Look at that. See the ground? I think it's where the water was leaking. I hope you don't need any of these cards. Don't worry, Jeremy. They came with. I brought some body filler. This is really horse's hair. It's nasty, dude. The horse they used is probably dead. Look at this. Look at this rust patch right here.
Yeah, rust patch?
A little bit, yeah. My hand can stick to the ground. Look at this.
Oh, wow. That's gnarly, dude.
Yeah. I think that's where all the water was when it would leak.
Yeah, go ahead and rip the rest of that insulation out.
Oh.
That just peels apart.
Take the 600 console off, too. Commercial grade rubberized undercoating, corrosion, water, and salt spray resistant.
There's another screw or something.
Here, give me the tools.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
We should probably keep Maybe keep this mountain plate in case the new one doesn't come with one.
I might have sucked up the other bolt for this side.
Huh?
That from the mounting bracket right here.
No, I think I grabbed it.
Did you?
I think I may have. I think I put it in our pile.
I have to break this plastic piece. Hopefully it's really brittle.
Oh! Oh my gosh, why is it? It's so loose, but then if I try to grab it... Oh, there we go. Oh, I got it!
That's what I like to hear. Well, this should just come out.
Keep that in charge.
That's going to be kind of difficult.
Do you think we could cut this?
Try bending it over. I won't.
Here, I'll lift up a little bit. I'll hold it in the forward position.
You got it?
I think so. Yeah.
Was it moving? I think
No, we're good. Just watch it for the gauges. Oh, what was that?
Bracket. Oh, got it.
It's really wet.
Very nice. It just pops out like that?
Oh.
Yeah, it's just roosted. Let's try. How do you take the back part out?
See that bolt down there?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's just out.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, there you go.
Oh, okay.
Here.
I'm gonna put some gloves on you and stuff.
Oh, there we go. You have to lift up on it.
There you go. Okay. Thanks. Oh, there's a black widow in there.
What?
Right there.
Is it alive?
Yeah, it's crawling.
Where?
Right there on the back. See it?
Oh! 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 Is that actually a black widow?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
We were riding in this thing with that.
We brought that all the way from Modesto.
Oh, it crawled underneath.
Oh gosh. Never have to deal with that later. Yeah, ready?
It crawled in there.
Okay, I'm gonna try to expose it. Ready?
Oh, don't do it quick. Don't do it quick though.
Why?
Because we might lose it. Dang. Okay. Gentle. Where is it? Where is it?
I don't see it.
Piss. Where the heck did it go?
Okay, just keep watching.
Did it crawl further in? I hate spiders. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Do you see it?
No.
Piss. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. I see it. It's in the plastic thing.
What?
It's in the seatbelt thing. Right there. See it?
Oh, I do see it. Here, I'm gonna wiggle it out.
You want to spray with WD-40?
No. You ready?
Yeah.
Get your hammer ready.
I got the hammer. I got the hammer.
Oh, you want me to plop it on the ground?
Yeah. Where is it? Still in there?
Yeah. Yeah. Ready?
Where is it? There it is.
There it is.
Oh!
Oh, it's
I
dead.
got it. Sucker.
Did we get the long film?
Sucker.
The long film? Look at that. Oops. What nasty stuff. What's this? And why is it oily? Dude, what the heck is this thing? There's one on that side too. What? What's this?
I don't know.
Oil! No, give me that! Wait!
What?
Can I eat it? Still there. Oh! It's gone!
What's this?
Nail?
Now what?
Get some sandpaper.